What is going on, TubeU? Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gents. Today's little video should be a pretty short and sweet, simple install. As you can tell by the tiny little package that we have here, big enough to fit in your hands. Excuse my ashy ass hands. And we're gonna be replacing these guys, the paddle shifters, with these guys. Wanted to do the unboxing with you guys. Got it off Amazon. Ooh, these are nice. I'm not gonna lie. I was gonna paint these to match my new color scheme, but I was worried that, oh yeah, this is nice. Let me find some metal. Tight. That's metal. Neat. So that's the right one. This is the left one over here. Oh, I got them backwards. Here we go. Boop. Should be like that. Why doesn't it have a plus? Oh, they go backwards like, oh, okay. I had it back, I'm backwards. There you go. The packaging is right. There you go. Left and right. Boom, boom, boom. It's like 20 something bucks on Amazon. They have black, as you can see. There's nice little black here. I was gonna get the silver, but these are already silver. And I was hoping, honestly, that the black wasn't as shiny. Well, it was shiny on one side and then dull on the other. That's weird. That's odd. It's like dull on this side, kind of like the black that's on the wheels. Matches those perfect. Look at that. But it is shiny on that side. Yeah. Better? Nope. Anyway, I don't know if it comes with instructions. Maybe. No. No instructions. Nope. Everyone I saw in the comments or the review said it's a pretty simple install, took like 5 minutes. We got this little guy here, this little pry tool here. We got a couple of those laying around, but I guess I get to add another one to the collection. And yeah, that's it. Pretty nice packaging, I'm not gonna lie, for something so cheap. Yeah, nice little foam in here, pry tool like we said. And then this guy up here, so that's pretty cool, I guess. Throw these guys back in here for a second. There is no instructions, so I guess I'm just going for it, guys. Let me grab let some light in through here. Then I'm gonna grab my headband right here so we can all see. And I'm gonna turn the light on for you guys. All right, so let's see just how terrible this really is. Alright, so like I mentioned before, there is no directions or anything like that, so just gonna roll with it. Got my head camera on. I'm gonna try to stay out of you guys' way so you guys can see this. I'm assuming we just work around this little guy right here. And the little Allen, this guy right here, should be what we use to remove the paddles themselves. So let's give it a whirl. Hope I don't break anything. I think this is where we need to be, behind this guy. At least I hope so. Oh, guess that's it. Pop right out. Just kind of scary, not gonna lie. I'm doing one at a time so I don't get the pieces mixed up, even though I think they're labeled. Yep, left. I'm trying to be patient with me, guys. Don't look any bigger, just black and a cool little cutout. So not any bigger than the stock ones. Will be nice to have some full face paddles. I think the TRX gets better paddles than we do. I don't think it's this one. Maybe it is. I don't know. I'm scared to touch anything. Here we go. I always got to play lefty-loosey and righty-tighty in my head. Let's see, we're going to do them one at a time so we don't lose the parts. Damn, shifter stock's kind of in the way. Or the shifter stock, the windshield wiper. It's kind of in the way. But it's okay. Alright, I don't like the feeling of that. Make me feel like we're stripping it. Kind of are. I don't even know if we need to pull this one out, but doing it anyway. Alright, you guys are kind of in the way. I'm going to have to step you back so I can better get in there so I don't further miss this. Alright, so I seem to have found like why I was having so much trouble with that second one. These little bolts here, they seem to be more of a star bit. See if you guys can see that. Maybe not. It's not picking up. Yeah, they look to be more of a star bit. And you can see they definitely sent the hex bit. It's definitely a hex. And it definitely looks more like a star. So what I ended up doing was taking, I ran through a couple of different bits down there. I ended up just trying it out with a little baby Phillips and was able to get in there just enough to get out that second one. But seems to have basically fallen out at this point. So I think we just wiggle it on out. Move you guys back up. Try to stay out of your way as much as possible. Should be able to just work it out. Pull it up. Trying to make sure I pay attention to what the hell I'm doing. So I need this to shift my damn car. Oh, something. There we go. Came out like that. It's minus this guy right here. Should be just like that. So it should go in. Should go in the same damn way. So we shall see. Assuming I'm gonna have just as much trouble getting it back in as I did getting it out. It's in. Still got in there. Put it down. Alright, so that's the right spot for it. Sorry guys, I'm in your way. Put this guy back over here. Try to get not to damn move. First screw up. I just need to get in there to hold. I don't need to run it in just yet. I'll run it back in with this. Perfect. Now, obviously, you don't want to just get them snug. You don't need to fucking. That is in there, baby. And we're just going to drop this little guy back up there. Super simple. Puzzles are hard. I don't even know how the hell it came out. Just popped out. Maybe it just popped back in. Nope. Of course it don't. Maybe this side first and then that side. Yeah. Good to go. Man, looking spiffy. Look at that. Looking spiffy. Sorry, I suck, guys. Looking nice. All right, let's do the right side. Probably won't show you guys that side because it's kind of a pain in the ass to try to get you guys in there, but you get the gist. 2 little screws, super simple. I'm just gonna pick back up and show you guys what the finished product is. So check back out and check back in a little bit. So one thing I'm gonna mention before we put them back in here, these are like way lighter than the OEM ones. Obviously you can't see weight, but there they are side by side. Trying to look at the camera. But these are definitely lighter. Obviously, you're not gonna, shave any tenths off of your ET time, but just something to note that these do feel definitely noticeably lighter than the OEM ones. Okay, David. Okay, David. Okay. Sorry, guys, we got interrupted. My friend ran away from me. Where'd he go? He's on the backside. Man, I wish my car sounded like that. His sounds freaking sick. Look at that damn Hellcat emblem, man. That thing is tough. Okay, David. Open the garage for nothing, man. I thought my friend was coming to see me. He's coming to sound bomb my house. All right, back to it. All right, now that we're back from the garage door nonsense, and you know David sound bombing the video, there they are side by side. Pretty clean, pretty lightweight. I don't know how I like the logo right there. You can't really see it from the front side over here when it's on the when it's actually on the steering wheel. You can't see it because the logo is back here, so you won't notice it. But I don't know. I do like the simpler look of the OEM ones. I'm not gonna lie, just a simple plus sign. But you know, these are a bit more spiffy, and I really wanted gold. They do have silver, this one here, and then carbon fiber, I think, was the other option. But obviously, you know, I didn't really want carbon fiber in here. There isn't really much carbon fiber in here at all, other than this carbon fiber, this fake looking carbon fiber here. And I don't think it really will go too well with that. Or imitation carbon fiber, whatever the hell it's supposed to be, but I don't think it will go too well with that carbon fiber. So that's why I didn't want to roll with carbon fiber. And I rolled with black, like I said, because I was planning on painting them. But yeah, I think they'll do just fine how they look. So I'm just gonna roll with it. So like I said, pick back up when we're done. Alrighty, so install is done, and I would like to note once again that star bit the star bit was the key to this install. It wasn't the hex bit that came with it. I'm not sure why they sent the hex bit, but these are definitely star bit screws, and this helped out a lot. I was worried. I was like, man, am I stripping this freaking screwed? Like I don't have any replacement screws for these paddles, but no, just swapped over to a hex bit. This little guy right here, not sure what size. Does it have a size on it? T7. So if you have a little T7 laying around, this is going to be the one to go to. And here's the finished look. Let me back you guys up real quick. There you go. As far as I can get you. Boom. I feel faster already. That's definitely 50 horsepower. I lied, man. I said it wasn't a horsepower game, but this is definitely 50 horsepower easy. Yee. I like that. All right, there we go. Nice and snug. Nice and snug. Yeah, they're in there. That's good. And obviously, there's the company name again. Here they are right here. Grip ready. You can find them on Amazon. Super easy. I don't even know how I found them. I think I was looking for something else, and then I came across these, and they had a lot of positive reviews. Everyone was saying how easy they were to install, so I figured, hell, why not? Something to church up the inside, make it look spiffy. Go along with the logos on the door. Yeah, it's coming together nicely. Check them out, check them out, check them out, check them out. Check me out. Chew. So if you're interested in getting a set of these for your car, I'll leave the link down in the description, guys. But that's all. Super simple install. Other than, you know, the hex bit not being, you know, compatible with the freaking screws they sent, or the screws in the steering wheel, because these might have been, you know, they might have worked with older cars, and the star bit screws may have changed, because, you know, Dodge likes to change little stuff here and there. Look at the front brakes, they changed on the 21 and up models. So that could have been something that just changed. It might work in maybe like an older Hellcat, or maybe a Scat Pack or something like that, and this could just be like, you know, a red eye thing, or, you know, a Charger specific thing, and this could be for the hex bit, could be for Challengers. I don't know, but the hex bit was definitely not, you know, working for the little screws on the back. I definitely needed to go grab my little, you know, toolkit, and the T7 star bit was the star of the show. No pun intended. But the little star bit, you know, helped out, and it was the key to success for this little install. Super simple. Just pop the backs off, 2 little screws, out with the old, in with the new, and yeah, we're rocking now, guys. 50 horsepower, easy. Goes pretty nice. Like I said, they have a couple of different colors: carbon fiber, silver, and, you know, black. So if you wanted to stay with that OEM look but just spruce it up a little bit, you can get the silver ones. But I think the black looks cool. Hell, if anything, you could freaking, you know, get a couple of different sets if you don't like them. Like I said, they're super cheap. They're only like 20 bucks, and, you know, spruces up the interior just a little bit, man. Not as crappy as that fake carbon fiber that everyone likes sticking all around their freaking car, and it's not just gonna peel off. So yeah, a worthy upgrade. Definitely worth the time and effort. Super simple install. But that's all I got for you guys, man. It's your first time stopping by, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you guys see notifications when these videos go up. So to the Instagram channel at low376slow, all one word. And like I said, I'll put the link to these guys down in the description. So until next time, Tube, I'm out. Peace.